The actions that you're being asked to take are temporary. So look at this in the context of, say, a meal plan where you're being given meals for the day, or you buy meals, and you have no no thought to keep going and doing this the rest of your life, right? What they're relying on in those that what these diets are relying on is something called a weight loss phase and a maintenance phase. That is not a real thing. This is not a real thing. This does, in the context of real, sustainable, practical weight loss, these two things are not separate. And the way that I put it is how you lose the weight is how you have to live. Choose carefully. So, if you're doing something that is completely temporary by nature, it could be counting calories, it could be hard exercise. I do put in, like, a la The Biggest Loser, that kind of exercise in diet culture, because it's totally unsustainable. Who can live like that? And a lot of people think, well, I'll just do this for a little while and then somehow that'll transition into long-term success. No, maintenance phase is another idea of diet culture. It has no bearing on your ability to sustain a healthy weight for you going forward. And it is another way, it's another sly way to convince you to do something unsustainable for the short term, which anything you do for the short term is going to have a short term result.